Hey guys, who's excited for this weekend?
Woo!
Yeah!
We do exist!
Hey! Good morning.
Morning.
This was Gina's design.
Guys, these are instructors, Topher and Angelica.
Oh, it's a video. Hi.
From Minneapolis.
Minneapolis, baby.
Yeah.
And even like the neck, the head a little bit.
I'm posting you.
Oh.
Guys, we're in Iowa and there's Zouk.
I know, right? I did that too.
Isn't it such a good idea?
No, every weekend. She
Okay,
does.
not just love,
I-
but love.
Love donuts.
Okay.
I'm so excited. I kind of have to.
Alright guys, start warming up. We're gonna start in 5 minutes.
Thank you guys. Break out of the normal timing, so the normal boom chick chick, because that's not the only way you can dance.
The first thing I noticed is like it's the next level of fear. So one of the things that I felt like when I was talking to Lise is like, hey, when you like give me that extra frame, I feel secure and safe now, and I trust that I'm getting clear direction on where you want me to go. Versus,
I didn't realize as a lead how much I rely on the follows visual. And that way, I was like, oh, I didn't know that I realized on them so much for them to like see where I'm positioned or where my angle is.
Yeah, things seemed like exaggerated. So like a tall person, their arms felt like long, and I was like, oh my gosh. I would have to figure out ways to make myself feel that security. Like, so I would use like my whole arm, or
I was told that I am tall and my arms are very long. So yeah, like tighten up the frame a little bit.
I love how like unique and every individual and every body is. Just different heights, compositions, energetics. Like it's like everyone is just like such a rich curriculum, and needing to make little adjustments in the moment because like, oh wow, this doesn't work here. So what can I do to get the same outcome? It's really cool.
Ways to not do it.
What are we doing?
Glitter David.
Glitter David. 1, 2, 3. Glitter David.
Oh hell no!
David put one there. For documentary purposes.
You were doing nice.
Thank you, welcome.
This is my